Alright guys, welcome to the channel and my name remains Emmanuel Elua. Today we are going to look at how to import websites. Probably you've made a backup of a website and you want to migrate or transfer it to another server or development website, which this is currently my local host, and I'm trying to install a backup of my website emmanuelua.com on my laptop. Probably I want to make some changes. I want to play around with things and see how it comes out. So today we are going to learn how to use the all-in-one migration tool to make backups and imports, right? So now what I need to do is to click on add new, go to plugins, add new plugins, and then I'm going to search for all in one migration. Sorry, let me spell that, migration. So when I do this, as long as my internet is turned on, I'm going to be able to view the all-in-one plugins. So this is what we're looking for, the migration tool. And we hit install. So after installation, we have to activate the plugin and then move to importing whatever whatever files we want to import. Now, mind you, prior to this time, I've already made a backup of my website and I've downloaded it to my laptop. So that's what I want to import. I'm just showing you how to import. I also have a video where I teach you how to export, probably on a live website or on a development website. So whatever path you choose to take, I'm just going to help you to do that, right? So here let's click and go to import. So we see what we're working with. So it shows you there's a maximum file upload size that is going to take, and it's not going to exceed that. So what we can do is to import, make sure that our file size is below 400. Now, if you have a website that is above 400, let's say the website is so large and is above 500, you can get an extension from their website. I'll also leave a link in the description for you to get their premium license, so you can be able to have unlimited. I think they have unlimited or some other grades for you to choose from. So I want to import via file. There are so many options here that you can choose from, but I'm doing mine through files, and I'm just going to type because there's a whole lot of now I'm not sure exactly which format, but we're going to just pick one. Another thing to note is that you need to have a particular name given to it. You need to be able to denote what which backup you have. So I'm just going to go with this. It looks like it's the recent version. I take it that this is the year, this is the month, and this is the day. So I think it's more recent. Now with speed, it's just going to load up, and then we have access to the website. All right, 100%. Now it's important. What is just going to import everything concerning your website, both the database, media, plugins, themes, everything concerning your website. So it's just going to download all that. So I see this as a hassle-free way of having your backups, exporting to another website, importing to your website. Is just so easy, so easy. As you can see, when you look at the website, what I have here, I didn't have any plugin set up. I didn't have anything. This is just skeletal. I just created this for the purpose of this video, so we can be able to learn something, right? So let's do that. And now is restoring 11% complete. So we're going to give some time for it to be done with importation. All right, so now it's done. You just find out that your site has been imported successfully. So I can hit finish and actually check out how the site looks. So you see this is localhost slash tutorials. So if I've imported the website, it's supposed to show me something like my website. All right, so it came even with the meta description and everything about my website. So as you can see, this is my local host and this is the actual website here. This is the actual website here. All right. All right. So as you can see, I have this as that I've made the migration, I've made the import, so I can just play around with it on my local host. So in summary, that's a short way of like migrating your website between two servers, online, offline, or online to online, depending on where you are migrating to. So I'll also make a video and also put it in the description or any of the play cards around the screen that you find around the screen on how to export from whatever website you find yourself on using this same tool called all-in-one migration tool. All right, so see you in the next video.